So we have here the Thunderpole T3000. It was a new set for optimisation. These are a current model. This particular one's 6 months old. And there are other sets which have this same front. There's a PNI one. The PNI one, when we tested it, you can look back at the review, was so bad that I nearly complained to our government that it was illegally so bad. But I haven't done. And then I think there's a team one which looks the same. There's a different board in each one of these sets, even though they're the same front and obviously come out of the same factory. But these are definitely the best one of the two, of the three. So we've got a bit of a lift on today, which might not be easy when we test CEPT channels. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, just checking. I'll get my thing plugged in.
Yeah, you know things today. I think you mean your speaker.
Yes, Mr. Chippie.
Right, are you ready?
Roger.
Right, off we go.
Roger diddly dodger.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger that.
It's got an automatic noise limiter, but that's really only used when it's on AM.
Yes, he's an air-conditioned van in doggy daycare. I think he's a professional dog walker.
Yes, Roger on that, yes. It does make a difference. It seems to be working as a tone control. So in the out position it's got more treble.
Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station 133.9, 142.9.
Roger on that.
Passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger Dodger. Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, line up, got your line up, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, loud. Got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
a Thunderpole T2000, which is a new set for optimisation, and it's doing 4 watt output, not the standard factory original hybrid it came with over.
Roger that. Yeah, sounds good, all working well. In fact, there's not a lag like there usually is on most modern sets, so that is quite good.
Yeah, well, there's a lag on the Thunderpole 3000 you're using, is there?
I don't know, I don't listen to myself.
That was one of the things that you remember some years ago. I said the only current model set I have is a Thunderpole 3000. We ended up doing that.
Oh, Roger, yeah, I know we said it was, you know, good to have if you were going to buy a new set, but I didn't realise there was no lag on it.
No, there you go. Start off then, as you say. I mean, most of them are half a second.
Roger, right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
You got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Yeah, we did that unit base station with the fault on it where the audio was half a second late. Most people wouldn't think that was a fault.
No, you see, that's a modern set.
There you go.
Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Go 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So this radio is 80 channel, and if I change the mode button, it'll go to CPC FM. So if I want to go into AM, I will have to reprogram the radio. We're going to start off here on UK 31, and where we'll now go to CPT FM.
Roger, see you there.
One, Mr. Chippie, over.
Yep, reading loud and clear.
Roger, we've got interference, it doesn't matter, but we have got interference with it being a bit of a lift on today. So I'm going to reprogram and say we'll meet you on AM.
Roger, I'll see you there. Tango 21, yep, I'm reading you quite clear.
Right, just go again, I got the volume too low.
Yeah, roger that, I am receiving you noisy as you'd expect.
Roger, Roger on that, let's go back to UK FM then.
Roger, see you there.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, yeah, that was right. A bit of interference come through with you there.
Yep, Roger on that.
Sounded like Eastern Europeans on the channel.
Yeah, Roger.
21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger got you at the 5 mile point. So this radio's 80 channel, and if I change the mode button it'll go to CPT FM. So if I want to go into AM I will have to reprogram the radio. So we're going to start off here on UK 31 and then we'll now go to CPT FM.
Roger, see you there.
Tango 21 Mr. Chippie, over.
Yep, nice reading loud and clear.
Roger, we've got interference, it doesn't matter, but we have got interference with it being a bit of a lift on today. Now I'm going to reprogram the set, we'll meet you on AM.
Roger, I'll see you there.
Tango 21 Mr. Chippie, do you copy? Right, I'll just go again, I got the volume too low. Roger on that, let's go back to UK FM then. Roger. Tango 21 Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, yeah, that was right. A bit of interference come through with.
Yep, Roger on that. Right, so off you go when you're ready.
Eastern Europeans on the channel.
Yeah, Roger, it's a bit funny like that today, isn't it?
Right, I'm on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 138.9 and 144.7. No, it's 137.9 and 144.7. Sorry.
Well, I have to settle the achievement today. That works straight, thanks very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Okay.
We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, 138.9. and 144.7. No, it's 137.9 and 144.7. Sorry.
Well, Ancaster's definitely cheaper today. That worked a treat, thanks very much.
Yeah, well, roger that. 1010.
1010. Yeah, it worked absolutely great. We've got East Europeans coming through on this frequency. But there we go. Right, I'll go over to the base station and see what it sounds like on our Midland 76900 base station.
Tango 21 testing the Thunderpole T3000 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. Thanks very much for watching. And not sure what we've got tomorrow.